Getting new windows from building envelope experts isn't your typical one-day delivery that we're all getting used to. We are craftsmen and provide the best quality product that you'll love and that building envelope experts stand by with our 10-year guarantee. On top of that, we make the process simple. With a quick, free consultation, we go over your wants and needs and customize the windows right beside you. We also work hard to find the best financing options for you and your wallet. Once you've made your decision, our carefully crafted and highly customizable windows take about 6 weeks to ship to us. After we receive the windows, we schedule a day that works for you. The process of installing your windows is stress-free. We'll start installing at 8 a.m. first by receiving access to your home. Once we get to work, you'll be left unbothered as we install your new windows one room at a time. Depending on the number of windows, the full installation can take 1 to 2 days on average. We finish our days around 4:30 and will never leave a mess or leave your house without a window. When finished, you'll think your dream windows appeared and we were never there. Now you have energy efficient and stylish windows that you can brag about. Call Building Envelope Experts today and schedule a consultation.